Hello, this is Tina Lafreniere, founder of Related Faces. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to load photos into Related Faces. From your home screen, you just go up to the top menu and click on Upload, and that will take you to our Upload widget. You can upload photos two ways. One is by browsing. You can click on the purple Upload a Photo, and it'll open a browser window. Or you can drag and drop, which is what I'm going to do in this case. So here's a couple, and I don't know who these people are. I do know it comes from my father's side of the family. So I'm going to write this as unknown couple. I know that they're from the United States because the photo does have an embossing, and it's United States. I know that the photographer was from Indiana, and it was from Winnemac, Indiana. If I had any other location information, I could put it in there. I'm going to guess, I don't know what the year of the photo is, but I'm going to guess it was 1900. And since I don't know, I'm going to estimate plus or minus 5 years. The photographer's studio that's embossed is Crest Art Studio. Related Faces allows you to stay very organized. At this point, you can put the photo into a photo box, or you can create a new photo box. If you don't do it now, you can also do it later, so don't worry. It's nothing that you'll miss. I have some that are pre-made, and I could put it in one of those boxes. But I think with this photo, I'm just going to leave it in the general box. The notes section is for anything that you might know about the photo that you want to share with somebody else. This information, if you make a pairing with someone else, will be visible to those other people. So you might want to be careful about what you do and do not write in the notes field. So let me go ahead and upload this photo. Now, what we're doing behind the scenes is we're isolating and mapping each of the faces in the photo. Since I don't know who they are, I'm going to give them a general descriptor. As you can see, I clicked on the general descriptor button and it opened up the field. If I did know who it was, I could type in a name. Let's say that it was Hannah. And it would pull up any of the Hannahs that I might have. But like I said, I don't know who this is, so I'm going to give her a general descriptor. Unknown woman, and I'm going to say Winnemac. And I'm sure she's deceased, and I'm sure she is a female. So you can always put information in, even when you give a person a general descriptor. Remember that a general descriptor says, I don't know who this is. Please compare this face against all the faces in my own database. You could also possibly surmise that maybe she was born in Indiana. I'm not going to do that in this case, but if it was a child, you might want to surmise that the child was born in Indiana, and you could open up the birthplace. So we ask you for some very general information when you're loading a photo. This is all I know about her at the moment, so I'm going to say next down here at the bottom, and that's going to take me to this gentleman. It's the same thing. I don't know who he is, so I'm going to say unknown man, and I'm going to say Winnemac. He is deceased. He is a male. Now let's pretend that maybe he had on a uniform. We give you extra fields down here at the bottom. If I was to say military, yes, you can have extra fields down here where you can enter in such things as the entry year, the discharge year, the country, the branch of service, all of those features down here for your military veterans. So I don't know, he's not dressed in a uniform. And that is all it takes to upload someone into Related Faces. I'm now going to click Submit.